Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells or columns to block. This step narrows scope so you don't overrestrict. Once selected, set cells to locked via Format Cells Protection so Excel recognizes restrictions. Then open Review Protect Sheet or Home Format Protect Sheet and choose allowed actions like sorting or filtering. Make sure to enter a password only if necessary, because passworded sheets prevent edits but add recovery responsibility. This combination makes protection effective and precise. Next, you define the complex middle. Allow exceptions and granular rights. Use Review allow users to edit ranges to create editable zones with a separate password if needed. This lets collaborators work without unlocking the whole sheet. Then revisit Protect Sheet options to permit or deny formatting, inserting rows, sorting, and more. Once done, protect workbook structure to prevent adding, moving, or deleting sheets. These steps prevent accidental changes while preserving necessary collaboration. To finish, test your protection on a duplicate file so you catch issues without risking the master. You should verify that locked cells cannot be edited and that allowed actions behave as expected. Make sure to store any passwords securely or rely on enterprise key management to recover access. If something goes wrong, unprotect the sheet, correct the locked ranges or permissions, then reapply protection. This validation loop prevents lockouts and keeps your workbook both usable and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.